A technology shift is quietly changing the future of cloud engineers, and many professionals are realizing their old skills are no longer enough. What happens when artificial intelligence starts writing infrastructure code, managing systems, and even helping solve cloud problems automatically? The role of cloud engineering is entering a new era where creativity, architecture, security, and AI knowledge matter more than repetitive tasks. In today's video, we shall explore how AI is transforming cloud engineering careers faster than expected, and what skills professionals need to survive in this changing world. Let's begin. 1. The end of basic cloud scripting. Why writing code alone is not enough. For many years, cloud engineers spent a large part of their time creating infrastructure scripts. They wrote configuration files, managed deployments, and built automation using tools like Terraform, CloudFormation, and CI/CD pipelines. But artificial intelligence is changing this process. Today, AI assistants can generate large parts of infrastructure code within seconds. Tasks that once required hours of manual writing can now be completed much faster with AI support. This does not mean cloud engineers are becoming unnecessary. Instead, their role is changing. The value is moving away from simply writing configuration files and toward designing better systems. Modern cloud engineers need to understand why a system should be built in a certain way, how different services connect, and how to keep everything secure and reliable. AI can generate code, but it does not fully understand business goals, security risks, or complex technical decisions. The future belongs to engineers who can guide AI rather than compete with it. A cloud professional who only knows how to write basic scripts may face increasing pressure, but an engineer who understands architecture, troubleshooting, optimization, and AI-assisted development will become even more valuable. The question is no longer, can you write cloud code? The new question is, can you design intelligent cloud systems? 2. The new cloud skill, managing AI costs before they explode. Artificial intelligence brings incredible opportunities, but also introduces a major challenge: cost. Traditional cloud applications already required careful budget management. However, AI workloads create new financial pressures. Large language models, GPU resources, and constant AI requests can quickly increase cloud expenses if systems are not designed properly. A poorly optimized AI application can consume huge amounts of computing power in a short time. This means cloud engineers are becoming responsible for a new area: AI cost optimization. Future engineers will need to understand how to control AI spending while maintaining performance. This includes selecting the right models for different tasks, reducing unnecessary requests, and improving resource usage. For example, a simple question does not always require the largest and most expensive AI model. Smaller models can often complete basic tasks while using fewer resources. Engineers will also need to understand techniques like caching, where repeated AI requests can be stored instead of processed again. This new responsibility connects cloud engineering with financial planning. The best engineers will not only build powerful AI systems, they will build systems that companies can actually afford to operate. In the future, controlling AI costs may become just as important as creating AI applications. 3. From virtual machines to vector databases. The new data challenge. For years, cloud engineering focused heavily on servers, storage, and virtual machines. But AI applications are changing where the biggest challenges exist. The new challenge is often not only computing power, it is information management. Modern AI systems need access to huge amounts of data. They need to search, understand, and retrieve information quickly. This is where vector databases become important. Unlike traditional databases that mainly search exact words, vector databases help AI systems understand meaning and relationships between information. They allow applications to find relevant answers even when the exact words are different. For example, An enterprise AI assistant may need to search thousands of company documents. A normal search system may struggle. A vector-based system can understand the meaning behind the question and find useful information. Cloud engineers are now expected to understand data pipelines, embeddings, and AI retrieval systems. They must know how information is collected, processed, stored, and delivered to AI applications. The future cloud environment will not only depend on running applications, it will depend on helping AI systems access the right knowledge at the right time. 4. DevOps is becoming LLMops, managing intelligent systems. Traditional DevOps changed software development by introducing automation, continuous integration, and continuous deployment. Now, artificial intelligence is creating another evolution, LLMops. The difference is that traditional software usually follows predictable rules. AI systems are different. Their responses can change depending on data, user questions, and model behavior. This creates new challenges for cloud engineers. They must learn how to monitor AI models, track performance changes, manage different model versions, and evaluate AI quality over time. A normal software update checks whether the application works correctly. An AI update requires deeper testing. Engineers need to ask, is the model still accurate? Is it producing reliable answers? Has its behavior changed? LLMops introduces new responsibilities around model monitoring, prompt management, and continuous evaluation. Tools designed for AI monitoring help engineers understand what happens inside these complex systems. The cloud engineer of the future will not only maintain servers and applications, they will manage intelligent systems that constantly evolve. 5. AI agents are becoming new cloud users. Cloud environments were traditionally designed for human developers and automated software systems. But a new type of user is entering the cloud world, AI agents. These autonomous systems can perform tasks, communicate with applications, and interact with cloud services. Imagine an AI agent that can analyze information, update databases, create reports, or trigger automated processes. This creates exciting possibilities. However, it also creates new risks. Cloud engineers must design safe environments where AI agents can operate without causing accidental damage. An AI agent with excessive permissions could delete important resources, expose private information, or make incorrect changes. Therefore, engineers need to create strict boundaries. They must control what actions agents can perform and what information they can access. The future cloud engineer will not only manage applications, they will manage relationships between humans, software, and intelligent AI systems. 6. GPU orchestration, the new infrastructure battlefield. Artificial intelligence requires powerful computing resources. This has shifted attention from traditional infrastructure towards specialized hardware. GPUs are becoming one of the most important resources in modern AI systems. Cloud engineers must understand how to manage these environments efficiently. Running AI workloads requires more than simply adding more hardware. Engineers need to organize GPU clusters, improve performance, and ensure expensive resources are not wasted. Technologies that optimize AI model serving and GPU usage are becoming increasingly important. For example, systems that improve AI inference speed can reduce waiting times and lower costs. Engineers also need to understand how multiple AI workloads share limited hardware resources. This skill represents a major change. The cloud engineer is moving closer to hardware optimization and AI infrastructure design. 7. AI-powered incident management. When systems start fixing themselves. Cloud engineers traditionally spend significant time responding to alerts and solving technical problems. When systems fail, engineers investigate logs, identify issues, and apply solutions. Artificial intelligence is changing this process. AI-powered monitoring systems can now analyze large amounts of technical information, identify patterns, and suggest possible fixes. Some systems can even automatically resolve simple problems. This means engineers may spend less time handling repetitive alerts. Instead, they can focus on improving reliability, designing stronger systems, and creating better recovery strategies. However, human expertise remains essential. AI can suggest solutions, but engineers must understand whether those solutions are safe. The future of cloud operations will involve cooperation between humans and AI. AI handles repetitive monitoring. Engineers handle complex decisions. 8. The future cloud engineer, a new combination of skills. The cloud engineer of the future will look different from the cloud engineer of the past. Basic infrastructure knowledge will still matter, but it will no longer be enough. Successful professionals will combine cloud expertise with artificial intelligence skills. They will understand AI models, data systems, automation, security, and cost management. They will know how to build systems that are powerful, but also reliable and affordable. The biggest career opportunity will belong to engineers who adapt early. Technology changes quickly, and AI is accelerating that change. The professionals who continue learning will not be replaced by AI. They will use AI as a tool to become more effective. The future is not about humans competing with artificial intelligence. It is about humans building better technology with artificial intelligence. AI is not replacing cloud engineering. It is transforming it. The engineers who succeed in the coming years will be those who understand both cloud foundations and intelligent systems. From AI infrastructure and cost management to automation and security, new skills are creating new opportunities. If you want to take your AI and cloud skills further with structured learning, practical guidance, and career-focused training, you can register at cloudelite.io and start building the skills needed for the future of technology. You can also join the Cloud Elite training community on School, where you can connect with other learners, share ideas, and continue your cloud and AI journey with expert support. If this video helped you understand the future of cloud careers, press the like button, share it with other technology professionals, and subscribe for more videos about AI, cloud computing, and future skills. The next generation of cloud engineering is already beginning.